in order for Christ to unite us with God and with each other, he had to partake of the same things, so that through the death of human flesh, he might destroy the one who has the power of death, that is, the devil. So I think that everything that we understand of koinonia, everything that we have in common with Christ, comes through the fundamental gift of the Incarnation, that he's taken on what is ours. And Hebrews, of course, plays with that all the way through, that he has become like us in all things except sin. And, you can run through this in the New Testament. What are the things, what are the goods? Here's a treasure house door. Let's open it up. What's in there? Oh, there's a common faith. What else? There's a common salvation. There's spiritual blessings. There's gospel blessings. These are all things that are called koinos. The gospel, even the sufferings of Christ, which makes me think again about the marriage vows, for better, for worse, that in this marriage you not only get the goods of the kingdom, but you also get you get to suffer with Christ, so that you might also share in his glory. We share in God's Son. We share in the Spirit. We share in the Father and the Son. We even partake of the divine nature. That's that great one, Joel can talk about that later on, that's the theosis passage. But there's something there, there is something there, whatever it means, that through the fact that Christ's flesh has united humanity with the Godhead, so also our flesh has been united with the Godhead. We share in the glory that is to be revealed. Ephesians 2, we have been lifted up to the right hand of the throne of God with Christ. And we even share with one another horizontally in the tribulations of all the saints, in all that you have, so that we might share both sufferings and comfort.